English textbooks. We had many concentration camps.
Oh, here too?
Yes. Not in this particular area,
no,
but
in...
outside the Riga, yes. We have.
Oh, I thought it was only in Poland.
No, we had them as well. And this is the monument for the... there is a list of people who were helping Jews. This is the...
to acknowledge them?
Yes, and this big...
Black?
It's not a rock, but it's called the panel.
Yes.
Is the Holocaust that is going to hit us, and
they are stopping it. Yes. Oh, I see.
That's the idea.
Okay,
and there is a portrait in the middle. It's the famous person Janis Lipke, and he saved approximately about 50 or 60 Jews. He had he lived on the island Kipsala next to the center. He had his house and in the shed, and he dig a big hole in the shed. And when he was working on the ghetto, the Nazis would give him Jewish prisoners for work. So they worked for him. And after the shift was done, he was giving those Jewish person back to the ghetto, and he would have one or two of them switched for Latvians, for non-Jewish people that has documents, and the non-Jewish people should be always be in ghetto. They could not get out, and let the other non-Jewish people can go in ghetto and get out because they have documents. They have the documents that they are not Jewish. So he switched a couple of people for his friends, and those friends got in, and then after a while they got changed in the different clothes and got out with their regular documents.
I see.
And that's why he managed to save 50 or 60 or perhaps more, I don't know exactly. He and his right behind you.
That's enough, I guess. That's right. This way it looks good. Because
Let's go once again this way, and I will film you. You will have this academy on the background.
Oh.
And the flowers on. Go a little faster.
Yeah, because that is for an accent.
Oh, I know, I started recording my colorful knee.
I hope I caught it because I'm not looking at it. It is up? Okay. Let me adjust. So this is in the Moscow quarter. Is that right?
Yes. Moscow Street.
So here I am following the lead of Oksana on our biking tour.
This area is considered criminal area and poor people area. That's why no one wants to invest in here.
Ah.
But it's slowly changed.
But it appears a lot of Indian students stay here.
Yes. This is one of the first malls in Riga.
The one with the tower?
No, the tower is on
The other side.
on the island.
Oh.
That's the big tower.
Ah.
And the name of the mall is Mall.
Oh. Is it a good one?
Not now because it's been 20 or more years.
Uh-huh.
It's a little bit old-fashioned, and the area, I don't know, maybe the square meters for the shops is too small.
Oh.
Don't know. It's slowly dying.
Ui. You. Oh.
Going uphill not exactly pleasant. See, that's for the balls.
I see. Or junk cars.
They're occupying such a pretty space, but nothing you can do about it. It's private property.
Oh. Oh, they even have a launching kind of pier.
This is that. I didn't bring the food for birds, but it's okay.
The water seems red.
Yes. Don't know why it's like that. It's always been like that.
This is at the Gawa River, close to the garages.
Lane, pedestrian bike lane. It's called Promenade.
Okay. So the district is quite big.
Yeah. And remember trolley bus number 15?
Yes.
And it comes every 3 to 4 minutes.
Correct.
It means that many people living here.
That is about the only one which comes so frequently.
Yes.